Russia keeps adding new protection in hope of finding a good solution. While they could have some benefits, they are far from effective enough to stop a range of threats. Even with Russia's most modern T-90M tank, they have added a huge code cache and electronic warfare equipment against drone, but still fails to stop it from being destroyed by a $50 grenade. When the added protection adds less protection than a closed hatch, they should probably think twice before wasting resources adding it. But since Russia often tries with sheer force, they suffer heavy losses, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.